Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Deepti from Tip Scroll Park. In today's lecture, we are going to revise the back exercise of Geography Chapter 1 Resources and Introduction. So, first of all, is say the answer. Question number 1 is name a natural resource that cannot be exhausted. Exhausted means khatam nahi ho sakta, like sunlight is there, wind is there, water is there. These are the examples of non exhaustible resources. Number 2, name a natural mineral raw material, like the answer as soil, forest. Question number 3, name a potential resource, solar energy. Answer is solar energy. Number 4 is what is the ultimate resource. The meaning of ultimate resource is the resource which is greatest among the resources. Question number 5 is what is the aim of sustainable development. The aim of sustainable development is to create awareness about proper use of the resources. MCQs are there. First MCQ is which of the following is a biotic resources. Answer is bamboo plant. Question number MCQ number 2 is what is the ubiquitous resources. Answer is air. Question number MCQ number 3rd is which of the following is a man-made resource. Answer is Panama Lake Canal, Panama Canal. The 4th is which of the following is a renewable resource. Answer is tidal energy. 5th is which one of the following is a potential resource. Answer is waterfall. Potential resource is a waterfall. Fill in the blanks is there. Development of techniques have converted gift of nature into a valuable. Answer is resources. Fill in the blanks number 2 is dash is cannot be generated by the force of falling water. Hydro electricity can be generated by the force of falling water. Number 3 is early human used the thing of dash in the form of resources. Answer is early human used the thing of nature in the form of resources. 4th is dash is the base of the all resources on the earth. Answer is nature. 5th, the biotic resources are capable of dash reproduction. 6th is technology is an important dash resources. Answer is man-made resources. Part D is right one word answer. First is a thing which we use to meet our need, that is known as natural resources. Number 2, the thing or goods used to produce other things are known as resources. Number 3, a thing that can be revived that is renewable resources. 4th, the thing which is in use whose value is known, that is actual resources. In next lecture we are going to do the distinguish between and rest part of this back exercise. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay healthy, and we see you soon. Thank you very much.